Yeah, I'm just really sorry you couldn't see this yesterday, because he ate millet from my hand for the very first time. I guess it does make a difference though, but now he's running away from me like I'm plague. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. He's not running away now. And okay, he is. And I'm pretty sure he can run away whenever he wants to. And I'm not sure I should be really reaching to him if he doesn't want to. But I know he ate yesterday. Maybe I should try with some other food. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! He's doing it! I don't believe this. Okay, so I guess a little bit of chasing through the cage doesn't hurt that much. Not a lot, just a little bit. Don't freak out the poor little chicken. Now, as I said in my previous video, I'm almost pretty sure he doesn't know how to use the new feeder, but I cannot be more excited that he's eating from my hand. And the camera is not quite freaking him out anymore also. Isn't he a cutie pie? He's such a cutie pie. Yes, you are. So, yeah, to get back on that feeder, I got like more than a couple of advice that he really might not be able to use the new feeder because it's a new kind of equipment. And in the zoo store where I got him from, they were, I don't recall, but they were probably eating, oh my goodness, did you see that? He put one of his feet on my hand! Oh my god! We're like this close from getting him step on my finger. Totally involuntary. Oh my goodness. So yeah, I'm just going to get him one of those bowl feeders that go inside, which are pretty simple to use. You can't miss them. And yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do for now. You're the cutest thing ever. Yes, you are. I can't believe you're eating from my hand. Okay, and we definitely have one foot on. And I'm gonna see how much he's gonna eat because I have no idea how to place for him. As I have heard, parrots are really suffering or might be suffering from some fatty problems that you might not actually see, but the fat that it's being built up inside of them is pressing their organs and might lead to certain kind of tumors, and we really don't want that with our cute little Budgie sushi. Yeah. Oh, he's the total cutie. Yeah. Yes, you are. What you doing, sushi bird? Are you eating from my hand? Am I getting you distracted? And he made a little bit of noise earlier. I opened the door to the balcony while he was in the cage, of course. And he heard a few birds out there, definitely not budgies, but some other pigeons and stuff, and he just went along and sang to them. It was really awesome. I think we have a huge progress in just one day. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, my hand is getting tired right now, so I'm just gonna close up the camera, I guess. There's nowhere to put it exactly, so yeah, I'm just gonna close. Did you get scared again? Come on. We're still eating. So as I was thinking, we're making such a great progress, one that I wasn't even imagining, and that's really cool because really soon, if he gets used to everything, I'll be able to let him out of the cage, and I wouldn't be so worried on whether he's going to come back inside. He's probably going to do it by himself, because he's hungry or because he just wants to. Hey, why don't you try the orange stuff too? There's supposed to be some kind of veggie stuff, I believe. I'm not sure. He is a cutie.